Good morning, guys. Today in Python programming class, we are going to learn about string processing. In Unit 5, we are going to start the first topic called string processing. Okay, so this is coming under the chapter text files. The information in a text file with all information is going to be searched, analyzed, or updated. Whatever information you are going to store it in a text file, either it is going to be searched or analyzed or updated. So all these operations which are performed on a string is called a string processing. Okay, so already we have learned operations on strings like to get a particular position of the string and to find out the length of the string. Like that we have learned some of the string methods previously. Now we are going to learn some of the additional string specific methods. So what is the meaning of string processing? String processing refers to the operations performed on strings which allow them to be accessed, analyzed, or updated. Clear? So, string processing is nothing but on a particular string, either you are going to access a string or analyze the string or you are going to update the string. This process is called the string processing. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about string traversal. Okay, traversal is nothing but moving. Okay, moving from one string to another string. So in chapter 4 itself we learned how the traversing can be done by using the for loop. Okay, we have executed that example in the program itself. So if you would like to identify, for example, if you would like to read a text file in which you are going to identify the number of spaces means you have to give like this. Okay, you have to give the codes like this. That is, you have to define first the spaces, and to store the number of space you are going to have another variable, and you are going to have the another variable called line in which you are going to get the file. Okay, by using read line method you are going to read the file, and by using the for loop you are going to define the space 0 comma len of line till the len of line. It is going to identify the space. If line of k is equal to space means what? Empty line. Number of spaces equal to should be added 1. Okay, so we also see some of the last lines that can be done simply without expliciting use of the index variable. Without using index variable also you can able to do this. For character in line, character equal to space, then num space equal to number of spaces plus 1. Instead of using the particular code you are able to use like this also. Clear? So by using the traversing a string, which is nothing but it is going to easily traversed with the file of the information, and in which you are going to do any process you can able to do it. So this is called the string traversal. Next one is the string applicable sequence operations. String applicable sequence operations. So the strings are immutable, right? You cannot change the value of the string. So the sequence modifying operations are not applicable to strings. For example, one cannot delete or replace the characters of the string. So either you can modify or you can return what is the string which you have used. So in this figure, if you look at this, you are able to do all these kinds of operations. For example, you are having the string like hello goodbye, right? So we will execute this by using the Python idle compiler. Okay, so this is the string which we have stored. Hello s equal to hello goodbye. Why it is showing? Since it is the, is it correct now? Okay, if you give extra any one dot also, it will be showing you the error, right? Okay, next, in this string, what are the operations we are going to see? first we are going to see the length of the string. So what is the code? len of s. Okay. So what is the length? 14. Okay. Next, select index. If you want to select a particular index, also you are able to do it. See, for example, I am going to find out this s dot count of o. Okay, how many count o's are there in this string? How many o's are there? Here 1, 2, 3. So 3 has been returned. Next, if I would like to add some extra thing, okay, with the string, I am able to append. So how can you give this? Yes plus whatever you would like to add, you can able to give within the single quotes. So it is added already. Once exclamation is there, now we have given 2 exclamations extra, so it is returning that. Okay, now if you would like to access the particular index of the string, you are able to access. So in 6, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6th place, what is there? G is there. So it is returned. And if you would like to access the position of this particular character also, you are able to get it. You are getting it as 10. Okay. The same way, if you would like to identify the minimum of S, means what? This one, string order minimum, and this maximum of string can also be returned. We will come one by one, and you are able to slice this string also in 6th position. From 6th position to 10th position, what is the string? Only good. Okay, the same way, if you would like to check whether a is there in the string, you are able to check it by using the in operator. We have studied in operator, no? So it is saying that a is not there in the string. You look at the string, there is no a. Okay, and if you would like to find the maximum of the string also, you are able to get it. Yes, what is the maximum? Y. Okay, according to the string. Clear? So since the strings are immutable, modifying operations do not modify the string. So it will construct a new string that are modified was the original. Clear about this? So these are the operations you are able to do it. So what we have learnt now, string applicable sequence of operations. Clear about this? Next we are going to look at the string methods. Some inbuilt methods are there now, that is only we are going to see. There are number of methods specific to strings in addition to the general sequence operations. So we will discuss the methods. So for example, if you would like to have if you would like to check in the list whether you have this particular character, you are able to do like this. Okay, the same way, you are having a character called s equal to hello. Okay, s equal to hello. First, what are we going to check? We are going to check whether it is alphabet or not alphabet. Alphabet means if there is any number, it will be considered as digit. It will be starting with character, means it will be considered as the alphabet. So how can we check? S dot is alpha of, open close. S dot is alpha. This is spelling P-H-A-L-P-H-A. What is the mistake? Is alpha. What we have given? S equal to hello. We are going to check S dot. It is showing the methods, no? From this you can able to choose and you can give open and close. It is giving true. It is a character. And if you would like to check with the single quotes, if you give single quotes extra, it will be considered as digit now. So extra special characters means, again if you check, it will return false since it is having exclamation mark, right? Okay. Next method is digit. Okay, you have stored digit s equal to 1 2 4. S equal to 1 2 4. In this you are going to check s dot is digit. S dot is digit. True, right? If you would like to check with some extra, we have stored 1 to 4. Instead of that, if you have stored some extra things, okay, now we are going to check whether it is digit or not. It will return false since it is the character, right? Okay. Next you can able to check the is upper is lower. S dot is upper. Okay, what it will return? It will return false. Sorry, true. Is upper means first character is 1 2 3, no, so that it will return false. For example, we will change the string s dot. We will give only within the lowercase. Now we are going to check s dot is upper. What will be returned? It is asking whether it is upper character or lower character. Now it will return false, right? Okay. The same way you can able to check lower, upper, everything. And if you are able to find out a particular string also. So s dot is find of 2 or something. If you give, that should be given s dot is find of 1. S equal to, we are giving in hello, and s dot is find of 1. Returns the index of the first occurrence. Okay, we have to give, we have to give the there is no 1 here. We have stored only the string, so we have to check the string only. Is find, what can we check? Shall we check e? Okay, within double quotes you have to give e. Not is find s dot find of e. We have to give only find, not s find, sorry. Next, the same way you are able to check the other thing also. Next, if you would like to return a copy of the string also, you are able to do it by using the strip method. Okay, s dot strip, strip, strip of, if we give O, we didn't give semicolon, so we are giving O. That O alone will be removed, the remaining will be returned. Okay, next, split off. Okay, if you would like to split into 2 also, you are able to do it. So these are the methods are available in the string. If you want more clarity, you are also able to execute all these things in your online Python compiler. Either you can do it in online Python compiler, or you can install your software and you can make use of it. So today we learnt about string processing, string traversal, operations and methods. Clear about this? Okay. Thank you.